Dallas, Texas is famous for its historic landmarks and dazzling skyline. The city's impressive mix of modern and classic structures make Dallas a destination for any architecture enthusiast. Join Built, the Bluebeam blog, as we explore 5 of Dallas's most iconic buildings. Standing boldly in the heart of downtown Dallas is the Perot Museum of Science and Nature. This eye-grabbing masterpiece was designed by Pritzker Architecture Prize laureate and founding partner of Morphosis Architecture, Tom Main. Main designed this massive cube structure with the intent to inspire awareness through an immersive and interactive environment. The sustainable roof is made with stone and landscaped with local, drought-tolerant plants. It's also designed to collect rainwater, which provides 100% of the museum's irrigation needs. By integrating both nature and technology into the design, the building is a tool for illustrating scientific principles. Venture over to the Trinity River and take in the exquisite Margaret Hunt Hill Bridge, named after the local heiress and philanthropist. The structure was designed by Spanish-Swiss architect Santiago Calatrava as part of the Trinity River Project. Costing nearly $200 million, the bridge is known for its signature 4-story center support arch and cable-stayed design that resembles a musical instrument, spanning 1,870 feet in length. Completed in 2012, the bridge became a stunning addition to the Dallas skyline. The assassination of President John F. Kennedy in 1963 had a devastating impact on the city of Dallas. In an effort to rehabilitate its image, the city turned to modernist architect I.M. Pei. Pei used an inverted pyramid design for the Dallas City Hall, creating a 100-foot-tall vaulted ceiling on the second floor. The buff-colored concrete celebrates the local earth tones that are characteristic of Texas. Opened in 1978, this striking masterpiece literally looms over the city. For a stunning view of Dallas, head over to Reunion Tower. Built by Welton Beckett and Associates, this 561-foot observation tower was once a broadcast tower for radio stations. The elevator ride to the top is a swift 68 seconds. The tower has 3 floors, which are encased into an open-air sphere known as the Geodome. This spinning dome is artfully crafted with aluminum struts. People enjoy amazing views of the city through the glass panels, which run the entire length of the elevator shaft. It also has a state-of-the-art LED lighting system that's used during the holidays to project animations and graphics. One of the oldest and most treasured landmarks in Dallas is the Cathedral Guadalupe. Nicholas J. Clayton is the mastermind behind this great project. The cathedral was built during the late 19th century and completed in 1902. It's made with brick and designed in Gothic Revival style. One of the most impressive elements is the spire, measuring 224 feet with 49 bells. The Cathedral Guadalupe is the second largest Catholic church in America. Approximately 11,200 people attend service here every Sunday. As the primary cathedral church of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Dallas, this multilingual church represents the community's diversity. With a population of 1.3 million, Dallas is a vibrant city, rich with always evolving architecture that will continue to thrive in the decades to come. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, in addition to Bluebeam video resources, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.